Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to verify phone number in Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to verify your phone number in Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, just simply choose any of the profile that you use in Netflix, and after that go to this My Netflix section, and after going into there, tap to this 3 bar into the top right corner, and from there you will find so many options. You just simply have to choose this account option into here, and into there you will find again so many options, and if you have updated your phone number into here, it will give you the option to verify phone number. You just simply have to tap into this verify now option, and after tapping into verify now, it will give you the option to send code. Just simply tap into that option to send code, and it will send a verification code into the phone number provided. Then you just simply have to put the verification code into this bar and click to verify. Then Netflix will verify your phone number. By following these very easy steps, you can easily verify your phone number in Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.